The science behind ketones is very extensive. The medical profession has been interested in this since the 1800s. The first lead paper that was published on the use of ketones in a medical treatment was in 1921, where the Mayo Clinic published a study that had been done on ketones as a treatment for epilepsy. And that became the standard for treating epilepsy, particularly children's epilepsy, really for many years, up until like the 70s. And it's coming back into vogue now because they're finding that some of the medications for epilepsy aren't working that well in children. There have been thousands of research projects done over the years on ketones. Many of those have been actually funded by the military, DARPA, and the Office of Naval Research. There's multiple ways of getting into ketosis, but most of that research work has been done on a ketogenic diet. And only recently has there become available nutritional products that can give you a state of ketosis. Of those, hundreds of articles that are published are freely available on the NIH's PubMed website. Most of those are in basic research. Some of those are in clinical studies. There have been some fairly large clinical trials in the area of epilepsy, smaller clinical trials in the areas of Alzheimer's and some of the other neurologic diseases. However, the FDA has not approved ketones as a therapy for any medical condition. That will have to wait for the full-on clinical trials to be done. But the science is very extensive in all of these different models of disease and performance that show that this natural state of ketosis didn't get there by accident, but is actually part of the way we work.